Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get API key from Google AI Studio. So all you need to do is go here and search for aistudio.google.com. Then from here select get API key. Then all you need to do is go here and click create API key. Then you can name your key, it doesn't matter, I will name it test for example. Then you can choose the project you want to create your API key for. You can also create a project. For me, I'll just select default Gemini project. Then all you need to do is click on create key. Then as you can see here, you can go and click on your key. It will show you all the information you need to know about your key. So if you want to copy your key, all you need to do is click copy here and you can paste it wherever you want. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.